For new faces, my name is Kashem. How to use Hohem iSteady XE Kit Gimbal Stabilizer. If you want to learn how to take better photos and videos with Hohem iSteady XE Kit Gimbal Stabilizer, this is a complete guide for beginners. And just to clarify, this is not a sponsored video. However, Hohem had provided the product for a review. Let's go through everything. So let's check it out what is inside the box. So I've got user manual, magnetic field light, USB-C charging cable, tripod, storage pouch, and your gimbal itself. Please fully charge the gimbal before using it for the first time. To charge the gimbal, connect charging port on the side of handle. To a USB adapter. With the provided USB charging cable. The battery level indicator light keeps blinking when it's in charge. The light staying on when it's fully charged. Download Hohem Joy app on your cell phone. Enter the App Store page. Search for Hohem Joy to download. Install the app and sign in to prepare for a Bluetooth connection. Before mounting, attach a tripod to the gimbal. Expand iSteady XE to get the arm vertical. Tighten the knob by turning it clockwise. Mounting a smartphone, rotate the phone clamp to make sure the logo Hohem faces upward with phone camera on the left. Insert your cell phone mobile device by putting it stuck in the bottom of phone clamp and pulling the top side of the clamp to clip it into place. Keep the phone clamped and balanced centrally before powering on. Keep the phone clamped centrally and clinging to the rubber pad. Otherwise, the gimbal would vibrate or turn off automatically. Press and hold the M button for about 3 seconds to power on and off. After powering on the gimbal, turn on Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Launch the app Hohem Joy and follow the prompts to connect the iSteady XE device. After successful connection, the Bluetooth indicator will light in green. When powered on, press the M button twice to enable standby mode. You can press any button to exit the standby mode. Press once to switch between working mode. PTF, PF, L, POV. Joystick, push up, down, tilt rotation control, push left, right, cam rotation control. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video informative, and don't forget to comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you my friends in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.